Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TROV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of mapping out where some of these new levels of support and resistance are. So let's first start by talking about areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right there at $1.25. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.25, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be where the bleeding stopped today on several occasions, and that's there at $1.10. You can see not once, but a couple more times the bears try to press down through that level, and every single time the bulls held strong. So that's definitely, there's some buyers hanging out down there. So near term, $1.25, $1.10. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of things. So if you're somebody that just says, Clay, look, just tell me how to gauge the overall health of the move. That being defined as the move right there. That's where this purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to keep on moving upwards. And again, to really just gauge the overall health of the move, a cut and dry way to do that, just look at the purple line and simply put, as long as the price is above the purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? As things stand right now, it's all about the $1.33 mark, which is where the party stopped today. And I'm just talking about one level of resistance for the simple fact that, in my opinion at least, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority for the chart right now. Top priority is just go through some healthy consolidation, build some higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, then the long-term chart will take care of itself, and that includes breaking areas of resistance. So no doubt about it, very nice movement today. So now it's just all about building higher bases, going through healthy consolidations. So we'll see how the bulls close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.